Hi there, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can use bot tools to transform files back into actually back into a file. So let me show you a quick example of what it is I'm talking about before I show you how you can use this. So you can see inside of this chatbot here on my phone, it's saying, can you please send me a PDF? Now you can't do this through the mobile version, but you can do this through the desktop version. So I've got a file that I'm already going to forward over here just to make this process and this video just a bit simpler. So I'm just going to send over this PDF, and there you go. So you can see that once I sent over the PDF here, that it's then given me the actual PDF in a link. Now this is what Manychat will do if you were to ask the customer for the PDF, save it to the user field, it would then put it into this link for you to be able to give back to the customer. So if I was to click onto this, you can then see my PDF. So I'll just take that down. And now what we're going to do is we're going to use bot tools after clicking the transform button to actually transform this back into the original type of image. So you'll be able to see just here that this is the same PDF that is from above, but now we've actually turned it into a PDF. And this makes it also forwardable, so I could send it over to other people if I wanted to. So let me show you how we did this. So this here is the Manychat flow that I was showing you in the example. All I've done, as you can see, is ask the customer to give me their PDF, and we've saved that to a user field value. You can then see that I've then shown this user field just here, and then afterwards we're going to transform it from a dynamic request. Now let me show you the preferences inside of the bot tools to be able to make this happen. Now I've saved this to a user field, okay, and the user field is user file. Now you can also do this with a bot field. Now a bot field would be brilliant if you've got to have the exact same file in a lot of different places if you're going to give it to the customers and you weren't actually going to ask customers for a PDF and then give it back to them. So this, instead of just giving them the link for it, you're actually going to give them the actual file, which is a lot more useful, like I sort of showed you earlier. So yes, we're going to save that to the user field or the bot field. In this one, it's user file. And then afterwards, what we're going to do is we're going to click onto copy URL. We'll come back over to the Manychat account. And what we're going to do is we're going to paste that link that we just copied from bot tools and place it into the dynamic request just here. Now I put all of my links into these bot fields. It just makes my life a bit easier for the training. Okay, now after this we've got to make sure that we add the full subscriber data. If you don't do this, it's not going to work, so make sure you've done it. Okay, now all you need to do is click save, and that's it. Okay, so in this example you can see that we asked the customer for, hey, what is the PDF you'd like to save us? I saved it to user file. Okay, I then showed the user file just here, and then afterwards we transformed it just like you saw in my example before. Now if you've got any ideas on other tools that you'd like built or anything else it's maybe troubling you around Manychat, then please get in touch with me. I'm always happy to take on requests and to build some really great tools to help all the Manychat users to give their clients and their customers the best experience possible.